Hello guys! Nakapag-get ready with me na ba ang lahat? Charot. Today, samahan niyo akong iswatch yung daily skin tint ng Get Ready With Me na shade finder. Meron nga pala ako dito ang dalawang shade finder. Ito yung light and then yung isa is fair. So, unahin natin iswatch yung light. Ito siya lahat guys. So, sa loob ng isang box, 6. And let's swatch each of them. This is the shade Limestone. Ito naman si Natural. Ito naman si Rose Beige. Ito si Cedar. Natin dito. This one is Custard. This one is Creme. And yung shade ng Light. Same shades doon sa yung Light and Fair. Ito na lang yung tatlo na hindi ko pa na sa swatch. So this is from the Fair na box. And let's swatch them. This is Pebble. This is Pearl. This is Sand. So, ayan yung tatlong shades of Fair. And feeling ko this one is my shade. I think this is Natural. So, for reference, I have to medium, warm undertone. Yun lang.